All right, guys, I got a 2007 Jeep Liberty here. Customer's not getting heat. All right, and there's only a few reasons why you will not have heat. Reason number one is check your antifreeze, guys. Always check your antifreeze. A lot of times I get customers, they have low antifreeze, all right? And all I do is top off antifreeze and heat starts to work. After that, look at your pump, look at the pipes. Maybe you have a leak somewhere. And this customer does not have a problem with the heat. He has a problem somewhere else. But check your antifreeze in here. Just pop that open, check it. When the car is nice and cold, not hot, because hot, gonna have pressure. Open this radiator cap. Check your antifreeze in there also, right? If it's low, top it off, let the car run. Sometimes you will not have enough antifreeze in there to give you heat because heat works off this antifreeze. Engine gets hot, the antifreeze gets hot, and then it travels through those little pipes right down there and goes into the heater core. And a lot of the times, mechanic will tell you, okay, you need a thermostat, you need a pump, but sometimes it's just a low antifreeze or you have a small leak in the pipe, radiator, or water pump, right? That can be the case. Leaking water pump or something. But what I discovered in this car is Jeep is very common, and you see this hot and cold right here. What that does is it turns the knob. If you turn it too hot, which is the red right there, it opens a blend door motor. Too hot or cold, you turn it to blue side, it'll open the AC side, so you have cool air. You turn it to the red, it will open to the heat side. But right down here, guys, on this car, all the Jeep, Patriot, Compass, you guys have a blend door motor. This car has vacuum lines in here. It has plungers here, so it's a little different than the regular cars. So I'm gonna be checking the vacuum coming in, and usually it's a very common for these Jeeps to either the motor to go bad or these little vacuum controlled, another word we could use is actuators. They're not working because there's no vacuum coming in, all right? So I'm gonna be checking that, guys. So do check your, don't go crazy, don't. All right, so don't go crazy. I had a customer knock my door. Don't go crazy changing the water pump thermostat, because 90% of the time I used to, when I first became a mechanic, every time no heat, thermostat. Every time no heat, thermostat. You rev the engine, you have nice and hot air coming in. That could be a sign, weak pump or bad thermostat, stuck open thermostat, or clogged up heater core. Those are the signs, all right? But if you're not having any, it's not changing to cold or hot, you're gonna have to look into this, guys. But I'm not gonna go into details. So just to give you guys a heads up what you're gonna be checking, if you have a Jeep Liberty 2007, you're gonna be going down here, guys. Check those vacuums, all right? There's gotta be a vacuum coming from over here. You can always trace it down. See these lines here? Some of these, all right, these are the evap pipes, but there's gotta be a vacuum line which is connected and is going inside, all right? And I believe this might be it right here. Something has to be going in. Oh, this is for the brake booster. Something has to be going in. I'm gonna track it down and I usually start from my head because usually it will break from over here or it will pop open. All right, I'm gonna have to discover where it's at. And if you guys need help, just send me a message. So if your heat don't work, do yourself a little favor. But check your antifreeze, check your vacuum lines, check before you go crazy. You could touch those heater core pipes. If they're both hot, equally hot, you have good amount of heat going inside. If one is ice cold and the other one is warm, then it's pretty much either it's not going in or you have a bad heater core, clogged up heater core. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Send me a message. I will give you an idea if you need to figure out where the vacuum line is or what kind of system you have. Just send me a message and I will search it on my computer and get back to you. All right, so bye-bye. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And I have a hell of videos, all kinds of stuff, brakes, tune-up, shocks, muffler, whatever you need help with. Most of the cars are similar, so you can follow the procedure. All right, so bye-bye.